Hello beautiful people, this is Adabichan from Mind and Techie and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to talk about the very crazy news which we have already got from our what I mean to say it's Vid app. So basically they 18 hours before they have did a special announcement in which their CEO Mr. Jug Singh, he did a medium post that they are doing a token VI token swap. Means they are moving their token VI from the centralized exchange, like as official they are listed on KuCoin. So in short you can say like they are delisting it from KuCoin and other exchanges which is centralized to one and only Uniswap. As you can see, the VI token price is being manipulated, so we are delisting it from centralized exchanges. VI will now be available on Uniswap. So because of this this too much big thing. So there are lots of person who are already crazy that hey guys, why, how can I, you can see in their Telegram group also, hey, good morning Ivan, so the new token name will be this, I have my token, so can I swap, so has KuCoin redemption period. So there are lots of questions are around here. So basically my main purpose of making this video is how to do the token swap, like VI token from your KuCoin to the new token which you are going to get in the ratio of 1:1. So basically as you can see this, I'm not going to read each and everything because you can see that I will just list it in the description. And this is very crazy, to be frank, to read and all. Normal people will be like, hey, oh my god, what it is, it's so confusing and all. So I'm just coming into the very layman language and I'm just swapping my camera. Cool, so you are now here. So basically I'm just going to tell you that how to do it in a easy and layman language. So this is your KuCoin exchange. Okay, so you also have a wallet in your KuCoin which will show the VI tokens, like, okay. So basically what you have to do is that you have to send your VI token, you have to go to withdrawal in KuCoin exchange, withdraw your token and send your token into your any ERC wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Mu, or any ERC20. So you have to send your VI token from KuCoin to any this of your exchange, any of these wallet, and then from there you have to send your VI token, ERC token. When you will receive your VI token into your ERC wallet now, then you have to do again sending those ERC20 token into the new address, which is the VI token new address, in which you will get a new token. Means basically what, first of all you send the VI token from KuCoin to your Trust Wallet, and then from when you receive it in your Trust Wallet, you have to again send it from your Trust Wallet or from your ERC20 wallet to this address. Always remember, this is the address. You can see, I will just mention this address in description. You can see, just copy paste it. So this is the organic address, don't worry. It will start from 0x6D and it will end at BBDB. You can just cross check. So you have to send your VI token from Trust Wallet, Mu Wallet or MetaMask to this address, and then you have to do the KYC. So KYC is for why? So they want to be sure that there is no bot is playing the role into this stuff. So this is the must step. So KYC link is also in the description, you can just check it out. And after doing the KYC, the VI token will be swapped from old token to a new token in 1:1 ratio. So basically what is that, when you send your VI token from Trust Wallet to that given address which I just mentioned you will be getting your new VI token into your ERC20 address after doing the KYC. So this is a very easiest step in the layman language which I described you. So I think you will get each and everything, If you didn't, I'm just telling you again in a very quick way. So again, what I'm telling you, that this is your KuCoin address. Send your VI token from KuCoin or any exchange to your MetaMask, Trust Wallet or Mayu address, which is a ERC20. Okay, so when you just send your VI token and you receive it into your ERC20 address, you have to send it again to this address. The address is already in the description, you can check, you can copy paste. It will start from 0x6d and end at bbdb. When you just send it again here, you have to go to the KYC, which is also in the description, description link. You can just check it out. KYC, you have to do the KYC, and after doing the KYC, the VI token, the VI team will give you the new VI token on your same address from which you send the token. That's it, after doing the KYC. So this is the easiest and layman language which I told you, and I hope that you guys understand it. And stay tuned for new updates, and if there is any update is coming, I will be definitely updating it on the channel. And that's it for today. If you like the video, just hit the like button, subscribe it, comment if you have any query. I will be very happy to reply you guys and help you guys itself. So thank you very much, have a nice day, peace.